Adriana Lima, born the 12th of June 1981, is a Brazilian model. She was a Victoria's Secret angel from 2000 to 2018, having made her Victoria's Secret fashion show debut in 1999, making her the longest-running Victoria's Secret angel and model. In 2017, she was named the most valuable Victoria's Secret angel by American analytics company Marie. She is also known for her Super Bowl and Kia Motors commercials. Lima is currently ranked by Models.com as one of the industry icons. Since 2014, Lima has been the world's second highest paid model. In 2012, she came in 4th place on the Forbes top earning models list, estimated to have earned $7.3 million in 1 year. In 2013, she came in 3rd place, and in 2014, she came in 2nd place with earnings of $8 million. In 2015, she came in 2nd place with earnings of $9 million. In 2016, she kept the 2nd place with earnings of $10.5 million United States dollars. Lima has served as brand ambassador for the clothing brand Desigual based in Barcelona, Spain, for the beachwear collection of Italian brand Calzedonia, and for the ready-to-wear collection of Italian brand Sportmax. She has also served as an ambassador for the international watch company IWC, Puma, Maybelline, and Chopard. Lima was born on the 12th of June, 1981 in Salvador, Bahia, Brazil. Many sources stated that Francesca is her middle name, but Lima herself denied this in an interview to W Radio Colombia in 2010, and confirmed that her name is only Adriana Lima. Her parents are Nelson Torres, a carpenter, and Maria das Gracas Lima, a social worker. Torres left the family when she was 6 months old, and Lima was raised by her mother. Despite this, Lima has expressed appreciation for her time spent with her father before his death in 2015. She was raised in the Castelo Branco neighborhood of Salvador. Prior to modeling, she had plans to pursue a career as a pediatrician. Lima is of Portuguese, native Brazilian, African, Japanese, Swiss, and West Indian descent. She personally identifies as Afro-Brazilian. Lima speaks 4 languages: her native Portuguese, English, Italian, and Spanish. Personal life: from 2001 to 2003, Lima was in a relationship with American singer Lenny Kravitz. They moved in together and got engaged. Lima was featured on the music video for Kravitz's 2002 single, Yesterday Is Gone My Dear Kay. From 2003 to 2006, she dated Prince Wenceslas of Liechtenstein. On Valentine's Day 2009, in Jackson Hole, Wyoming, Lima married Serbian NBA player Marko Jeric. In May 2009, it was reported that Lima had applied for Serbian citizenship, but it was never granted to her. Jeric and Lima have 2 daughters. They were divorced in March 2016. In 2019, Lima was in relationship with Emir Yor, a Turkish businessman. In 2021, Lima started dating film producer Andre Lemmers. In August 2022, Lima gave birth to their son, 115, on the 17th of December 2024. Lima announced on Instagram that she married Lemmers, writing, "Officially Mrs. Lima Lemmers." As of 2025, Lima resides in Los Angeles. She previously owned a house in Miami and an apartment in New York City. Public image. Lima was listed in the 2005 Forbes edition of the world's best paid celebrities under 25. 131 she ranked 99 in the 2005 and 2006 Forbes edition of the Celebrity 100 lists. In 2012, she was listed on Forbes' Celebrity 100 Power list for earning more than $7 million between May 2011 and May 2012. In 2012, she ranked number 8 on Forbes, the world's most powerful Latino celebrities list, for earning more than $7 million. Lima was chosen to be a part of People magazine's 100 Most Beautiful People in the World list, sharing that space with the Angels, with whom she also received a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame prior to the 2007 Victoria's Secret fashion show. That same year, she ranked 7th on FH Ms. 100 Sexiest Women 2007 list. Lima was also voted on Maxim's Hot 100 2007 at the No. 53 spot. She was voted No. 1 as the most desirable woman in 2005 by visitors of the men's lifestyle website AskMen.com, and placed 4th in 2006 and 2007, 10th in 2008, and 19th in 2009. She received the award for Hottest Girl on the Planet in the 2007 Spike Guys Choice Awards. Since November 2008, Models.com has featured her at number 1 on the list of the sexiest models. In July 2011, she was ranked No. 4 in the website's Money Girls list. The website also lists her on the Supers list. The list, which has only 8 supermodels, is about supermodels that transcend the boundaries of the fashion industry and have public recognition in and out of fashion. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.